What kind of things do you normally talk about in your songs?
Basically, I always sing about the ladies. Every song, almost everything.
Can I just ask, who write your songs?
I do. Well, I write my songs, and I produce my own songs.
Where did you get this inspiration from? Maybe from your parents.
In our daddy singing or any one of them producing, but a gift from God, I guess. So borrow talent and use it.
So tell me, is it a single or
Single? It's a
what the song is all about?
Single song. Well, it's about a girlfriend that I had, and I went into Devon house, and I cheated on another girl. It's about telling you how sorry I am for what I did.
So, for someone who wants the song, where can it be downloaded from?
Well, it's on Mediafire. You can check out Mediafire.com. Mediafire.com.
And the title of the song, what is it called?
The song is T-Zone Girl, I'm Sorry. T-Zone Girl, I'm Sorry.
Let's come to the video itself. Would you please tell us who did you work with in the video, and also tell us the characters or the test?
Oh, Latanya, the one who I was singing to, like, I'm sorry for cheating on her. Her name is Latanya, and the girl who I was making out with on the chair, her name is Tanisha, and the other one, yes, sir.
Who did you work with?
I produced it. My man sit outside and record it for me, and I came out and mix it and balance it and those stuff.
Right now I'm just looking at the cover of your song as I'm seeing it right now. Can you tell me whose work is that one, and also which software did you use?
If my brother designed them, he used Photoshop.
There are people that you don't need to be old to earn big bucks, but I still regard you as a teenager. So where do you see T-Zone in 10 years time? From now on, where do you want to see yourself?
T-Zone 10 years from now, as big as Michael Jackson when he was here. I see myself being just like him. Become a great singer. Yes, sir.
Thank you very much, T-Zone. Just before we close, can I just ask you this question? There are young people down there also who want to be like you. What can you say to them, just to encourage them?
The thing I can say to them is, kids who want to become a musician or a big artist in the future, a producer, first thing you should know, put God first and take care of education come first. Then after that, they can become a musician. That's all I can say.
Okay, that our artist out there in Jamaica. His name is T-Zone, yours truly. Thank you very much, T-Zone.
T-Zone.
Independent. Okay, yeah. For my lady, let me take you home. Who am I? Name is T-Zone. Girl, I'm sorry for the pain that I've caused you. Girl, you know that I still hold you in my heart. Girl, I can't let you go. I never wanna see you alone. Oh. Okay, girl, I'm sorry. What must I do to make things right? To make things right, girl. What you want from me? What you want from me? Yeah, I'll do it to make things right. Girl, I'm sorry for the pain that I've caused you. Girl, you know that I still hold you in my heart. Girl, I can't let you go. I never wanna see you alone. Oh. If I am the type of guy that you want in your life, I'm gonna make myself available to you. Your heart will never be broken again. I'll stay with you, baby, I swear, till the very end. Girl, I'm sorry for the let you go. I never wanna see you alone, alone. Oh. Let me take you home. Who am I? Girl, you are my heart. I don't want us fall apart. You in my heart, girl. I can't. No, 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 no. You are my girl.